E. E for apple. E for apple. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for cow. C for cow. D. D for Doraemon. D for Doraemon. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. H. H for honey. H for honey. I. I for igloo. I for igloo. J. J for joker. J for joker. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lotus. L for lotus. M. M for moon. M for moon. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rhombus. R for rhombus. S. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. T. T for tortoise. T for tortoise. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. W. W for wheel. W for wheel. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yam. Y for yam. Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. A. A for apple. B. B for butterfly. C. C for cow. D. D for Doraemon. E. E for ear. F. F for fig. G. G for giraffe. H. H for house. I for inkpot. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kiwi. L. L for lotus. M. M for money. N. N for nest. O. O for ostrich. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quail. R. R for rhombus. S. S for sunflower. T. T for tortoise. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. W. W for wheel. X. X for X-ray. Y for yam. Z for zigzag। तो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय।